Ooh, nice.
So
that's one of the 1 out of 72s.
It's 1 out of 36 for Gambit.
Okay.
Some of them are 1 out of 72. Ooh, we have Venom.
Oh, hey, he's the grayscale one.
That is the grayscale
1
Venom.
1 out of 36.
1 out of 36. Oh, he's awesome looking.
Yes, he is.
All right, if PS Toy Reviews were in black and white, this is what the figure would look like.
Scary.
It looks so cool. Okay, I love how they made this. His shoulders are really broad. He's got the big muscles in his arms. There's his head with the huge teeth and tongue hanging out, which is gray. Black and white. I'm still terrifying. He's cool. And then, of course, his costume is ripped open on that side, exposing his ribs. All right, thank you one more time to Funko for sending us this case of Marvel Zombies. We ended up getting the entire collection of them, including all the Chase figures, which was super awesome. Let's take a look.
We have a cat foot, too.
We do. Here's the rest of the cat. Provides a good backdrop for the figures.
Yes.
All right, Shannon, let's pick our favorite regular figure and our favorite Chase figure.
Okay. I am going to go with... My favorite regular is going to be Deadpool.
Deadpool, favorite regular. Okay.
Right there.
All right.
My favorite Chase figure, I think I'm going to go with Wolverine in the grayscale version.
Nice pick. Okay, I'm going to go with Magneto as my favorite regular figure.
Nice.
My favorite Chase figure... Oh, this is tough. Oh, they don't make much Gambit stuff. I want to go with Gambit, but not in the grayscale. I'm going to go with the Phoenix as my favorite Chase figure.
Okay, cool.
How about you guys? Which one of these did you like the best? Leave a comment down below. Let us know. Leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit the share button. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That will make you part of the PS Toy Reviews crew, where Jack will sleep through a zombie attack. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.